When an assistant is shared with you, you will get an email from Humble AI and it will say the name of the assistant which has been shared. So if you click into this, you can click the purple button to open that assistant, or you can copy and paste it into your browser. So if you click the purple button, you'll see I'm already logged in. So I'm going to go straight over to that assistant. If I go into a new chat, I can start asking it questions. Now, this assistant is just trained on a Wikipedia page on management theory. But let's say I'm studying management theory and I might want to get some quizzes to help me learn more. If I click into templates here, you'll see I've got a few options to get me going. So let's say generate quizzes. What topics do I want to be tested on? I'm going to say the history of management theory. So it's asking me to put that in the box. I'm going to tell it that. And can you see it's now written a new prompt for me above that says create a multiple choice quiz on the history of management theory. And it's going to ask me questions one at a time and allow me the space to answer. And now you're going to see that I have absolutely no knowledge on this. So I'm just going to guess an answer. I'm going to say D. It's going to read through the URL in this case, but you can train it on documents. And it's going to tell me if I'm right or wrong. I'm hoping I'm right. I'm thinking I'm probably wrong. It's going to give me a bit of feedback, and then it's going to tell me the next question. So I was wrong. It was someone called Adam Smith, and I'm sure everyone else looking at this video knew that. So this is how you use an assistant that has just been shared with you. You can create new chats to do different things in. So for example, maybe on here, I might want a short study guide, or I want them to explain, I'd like to learn, let's say about, was it Adam Smith? Now I'm going to get confused. We'll pop that in there. And this will help give me a bit more of an understanding of this. And everything that's happening in this chat learns from that chat, which means that it will constantly be referring to things that you've said earlier on in the conversation, which keeps everything nice and in the right place. So let's see what it's going to tell us about Adam Smith, and let's hope that it is Adam Smith. Oh yeah, here we go. A Scottish moral philosopher. Brilliant. So that is how you use shared assistants.